bumili kami ng yakisoba here in Boracay. It's 23.75. Same with here, 23.75. At meron tayong Energen. At, of course, coffee. Great Taste White. Antayin lang natin yan. So, we're eating pancit canton and of course, our coffee. Ayan. Then, mamaya, maghanap tayo ng mga activities na pwedeng gawin. I miss yakisoba talaga. Guys, so I'll be using, ito yung nabili ko, yung tinted na Bello, tinted sunscreen nila. So, ayan. Lalagay tayo sa mukha natin. Ganyan. I bought this for $1.99, buy one take one. Not bad, kasi kailangan natin yan. Though I also bring my BLK, my latest favorite. Yes, ganyan na natin. Yan. Spread lang natin, then pwede na tayo lumabas. Pakita ko yung finish look.
A few moments later.
Pupunta tayo dun sa beach side. Mag-explore tayo. Dinala ko yung camera. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung sa pool side nila. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo. Ang ganda ng pool nila. Actually, na-try ko na dyan kagabi. Ito yung malalim na part daw. Hindi ako dyan pumunta. Dun lang ako sa Bukana. So, we're looking ng makakainan. Nakahanap tayo ng kainan. Okay. So, we're at KFC. We're that cost 700. And this is the side. And what is really nice in this place is that gravy. So, nag-take out kami. And then this is our food. Siyempre, ang sarap. Ito yung mga pwede ko medyo mag-type. Late 10 p.m. So, pupunta kami ulit sa beach side. kita, babe.
Maybe try some fried chicken.
Look at this one. Meron sila dito pang patay ng mga lamok. Like that. And also, they also have in the other side. So nice.